Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm actually super stoked about what we're doing today. I got this part off Amazon and we're gonna head to the office and I'll show you guys what it is. Hopefully it works. We'll see. Also guys, I did paint the Speed logo black on the front, so please let me know what you think. I'm not sure if I dig it or not. I do have another silver one on the way, but let me know what you guys think. I'll let you guys decide. Let's go to the office and open up this box. Every video, I always need something. For what we're doing today, I had to go get a car wash. Yeah, I gotta wait for it to warm up and then we'll actually get started because it's only 31 right now. It needs to be a little warmer, but it's supposed to be 60 today, so we should be good to go. Oh my. Okay guys, so this is what I got. I got this off Amazon for 20 bucks on Cyber Monday and it just came yesterday. So this is what it is. It is a dent pulling kit. Now I've seen a video or two on Instagram of this and it appears to actually work. I don't know how 20 bucks and you get all this stuff, like honestly. But anyway, like even a glue gun, Polar, big Polar. So anyway, the Speed has some dents in the bumper and they came like that when I got it and they've always drove me nuts. I need to move over here and I'll show you guys them right now. Also, there's a couple of weird dents like here. And by the way, I haven't done any of these dents, but look at these two. So there's a big one here, and those are the ones I'm mainly gonna try and pull out today. So let's move this thing. Okay, I got all my supplies. It's now a cool, calm 60 degrees out. And we're gonna use all these tools and do whatever, I don't know. So first things first is cleaning. I'm gonna go ahead and squirt on squirt here. And wipe squirt off. For this time we're gonna have to use this bigger tool so it fits over it and it looks like it'll fit perfect. A little hot melt glue gun. Okay, that is on, warming up, and now let's put this on. Okay, so the glue is super hot already, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put the glue on here, stick this on for a minute, let it harden up, and then we'll start twisting this steel and hopefully it pulls this out. Okay guys, here we go. That worked. Starting to pull it, you can see it happening, but I don't think I did this part correctly, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this off now. There's a little scrape tool it comes with. Just scrape right off and then we can try again. Kind of hard to scrape off. Take two. It's pretty well hardened now. Oh, I can see it coming out. But will it take it off? Oh my gosh, I think it's working. Not even kidding. I don't know if it's in my head, but it seems like it's pulled out just a little bit more than it was before. Okay, that tool sucks. So we're gonna move over to this thing, and this is what I've been seeing people use in the videos, so I expect this to work way better than that other thing. Because the other thing, it's horrible. This one's also nice, because all you do is take this, put some glue on the end, stick it on, and then you just put this tool on whenever, and give it a little pop pop. Look how good that thing looks. I love trains. I'm a big train guy now. It's always right when I'm in the middle of filming a clip. All right guys, I give up on the bumper. We're just gonna move to a dent right here. See this guy? So we're gonna put the little doohickey on there and pull her out. Dang it. No way. Hold on, I think it actually worked. Not even kidding, guys. If you give it one little squirt, boom, pops right off. No way. It's so much better than it was. It actually works. This is way, way better than it was. You can't even feel the little line anymore. Now there's just two little tiny spots, which I may try and get. But for now, let's move on to a bigger one. This is so sick. This is the most satisfying thing ever. Ever. Okay, so I have no idea what happened here. It was like this when I bought it. All this stuff was like this when I bought it. And there's a really, really big, like deep spot right here. So we're gonna put it right down in here and see if we can pop this out. Hit it with the clean. Hit it with the wipe. Oh yeah. I just want to mention, in no way am I a like paint guy, a paint dent repair guy. I don't know what I'm doing right now. It's just kind of working. And for 20 bucks, this is sick. And not to mention, 20 bucks, you get to have this tool forever. So if you get a small dent on your car, you can use this and always have it. That's a deal. Here we go, guys, dent number 2. I'm really excited to go try it on the 370 because there are some massive dents on that thing from drifting. But this one is all ready, so let's see how good this one turns out. This one I'll probably do, yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it instantly pulled it out. Hit it with the squirt, hit it with the peel. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but I think if I do one more down in here, pop that out, it'll be perfect. I'm gonna try and get this one just a little bit better, and then that's kind of it for this side. I don't know what to do about the bumper. It's just messed up. Bam, that one is really good. All you can see is that tiny little ding. That one's still kind of big, but let me tell you guys, it's way better, especially from the side. It's kind of hard to tell on camera because there's chip paint too, but anyway, the speed now with the dent repair looks really good. It's not perfect. Can I get it perfect? Probably, but that's gonna take me a while. And I think a good car to go practice on right now is the 370, just because of how many dents are on that thing. So let's take all this junk inside and go mess with some big dents. So if you guys can't tell, this car is covered in dents. Now I'm gonna get a whole new door, so I'm gonna try and just mess around on some of these massive dents, see how far I can pull them out. And I think we'll start off with this giant dent. Someone hit the side of the door with a bash bar. Actually shattered the window, so we're gonna go ahead and fill this up and see if we can pull it out. Almost a whole glue stick in this one. Okay, still waiting for that glue to dry and that massive dent. I just wanna let you guys know there's a ton of new things coming for this car as well, so stay tuned for that. Here we go, this one is so bad. Nice, that worked fantastic. Wow. Okay, that's not gonna work because that's all primer, and all it did was take the primer off with the glue. Okay, can you guys see how rippled this is? I'm gonna spend the next like 20 minutes here trying to make this flat again. Like I said, I'm no body guy, but we'll see what I can do. Okay guys, I've been messing around with this thing for about an hour now, and I'm absolutely in love with this tool. Amazing, $20, it's so much fun, so easy to like use, and this is what this is looking like so far, which if you guys saw the before, this is one heck of a difference. This looks really good. Okay, so I need to spend a little more time on it and get down here more, but this tool, incredible, highly recommend buying it, and it worked for the speed, and it should work for you. By the way, I have no affiliation with this company. I don't even know what company it is actually, it's just an unlabeled box, but this tool is sick. I'm super happy I have it for anything I need it for in the future now. And probably will end up using it in a couple more spots on the speed. Speed will get some paint work in 2020, so I'm not gonna go too hard on the dents. But the tool's sick. It works and I'm stoked. There we go. So I'm sorry if this video seemed a little random to you guys. I'm waiting on parts for this, for the speed, for this. So there's not much for me to do right now besides test out cool products like this that I can get 2-day shipped from Amazon. So, okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off right here. Like I said, sorry if this video is kind of random. I'm waiting on parts like I said. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think of this tool. Let me know how bad of a paint dent repair guy I am, because I'm honestly not the best. But hey, it works, and I'm just stoked to have it. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Follow me on Instagram, Paper. Peace out. Kind of funny, I did a little after video research and I found out you can get this exact tool that I got for 10 bucks on Alibaba. So just go get it on Alibaba, wait 2 weeks to get it. It'll save you $10. And whatever Amazon seller I bought this from, you're welcome for the $10 profit.